As shown in the video, the wire connecting the bike body to the tail light is broken, causing the tail light to not light up properly. You will need insulating tape, an insulation sleeve, a lighter, and scissors. First, turn off the bike's power, unplug the round connector that connects to the tail light wire, and find the end of the wire that is missing the connector. Use scissors to trim off a small section of the insulation sleeve to expose the wire. Split the exposed wire into two separate wires, red and black, and use a lighter to burn off a small portion of the insulation from both wires, exposing a small part of the copper conductors. Reconnect the exposed wire to the round connector of the tail light wire. For the other wire that connects to the bike body, repeat the same process. Use scissors to cut off a small piece of the insulation sleeve to expose the wire. Split the exposed wire into two parts, red and black, and use a lighter to burn off a small section of the insulation from both wires, exposing a small portion of the copper conductors. Connect the bike body wire to the tail light wire, red to red, black to black. Twist the exposed copper wire ends together, then wrap them securely with several layers of insulating tape. Finally, wrap the connected bike body wire and tail light wire with several more layers of insulating tape. Place the wire back in its original position, power the bike back on, and test the tail light to ensure it is working properly.